Wall Street is bleeding. There was a mass sell-off on Wednesday. Investors lost as much as $1 trillion. $1 trillion in a day. And it may not be over just yet. So what triggered this fall?
These insights remind us of the immense potential and risks associated with AI. Just days ago, on July 25, 2024, the stock market was rocked by a shocking $1 trillion loss in AI stocks. Major players like Tesla and Alphabet reported disappointing earnings, sending investors into a panic. As headlines blared about the market's turmoil, questions arose. Are we witnessing the birth of another bubble? And if so, what lessons can we learn from the past? At the heart of the dot-com bubble was rampant speculation. Investors were eager to capitalize on the internet's potential, often overlooking fundamental business principles. Companies with little more than a .com in their name saw their stock prices soar, regardless of profitability. This frenzy created an environment where valuations became detached from reality. Many .com companies lacked viable business models and sustainable revenue streams. Investors focused on metrics like website traffic rather than cash flow and profitability. This oversight led to inflated valuations and, ultimately, massive losses when the bubble burst. The lesson? Always prioritize fundamentals over hype. Venture capital played a crucial role in fueling the dot-com boom. With abundant capital available, startups raced to expand rapidly, often at the expense of sound financial practices. While venture capital can drive innovation, it's vital for companies to maintain financial discipline and a clear path to profitability. The dot-com bubble showcased the dangers of herd mentality. As more investors jumped on the bandwagon, the excitement grew, leading to irrational exuberance. This phenomenon often clouds judgment, making it easy to ignore warning signs. Investors must remain vigilant and independent in their decision-making. The bubble burst in March 2000, resulting in a staggering 75% decline in the Nasdaq by October 2002. Many companies, including well-known names like Pets.com and Web1, vanished overnight. This crash serves as a reminder that markets will correct themselves, and unsustainable growth cannot last forever. While many companies failed, others like Amazon and eBay emerged stronger than ever. They adapted their business models, focused on profitability, and learned from their experiences. The ability to pivot and innovate is crucial for long-term success, especially in rapidly changing industries. The dot-com bubble was a significant chapter in financial history, filled with lessons that remain relevant today. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of technology and investment, let's remember the importance of fundamentals, the dangers of speculation, and the need for resilience. By learning from the past, we can build a brighter and more sustainable future in the world of innovation.